Nasty. Hey everybody, today I'm gonna change the cabin filter for this Honda Odyssey. But this is a 2018 Honda Odyssey. I'm gonna change the cabin filter. Right, the cabin filter I'm gonna use is the SuperTech 5760 for Honda, and this is equivalent to a here it is, the Fram CF11182. So CF11182 or the STPCAF 1873P. So this is the cabin filter I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really easy. Alright, first thing you need to do is open your glove compartment. Take out all the stuff inside there. That way nothing will fall down. In here, see this part over here? See this part? Push it down and it should pop out. There, see? It's a little hook. Now, inside here and here, on both sides, let me zoom out. Now we're going inside the car. Ooh, nice legs. Ooh. So anyway, one hand here and one hand here. What you do is you push. See this thing here? You push this in, and both sides has it. There's one right here and one right here. So lower that slowly. That's why you had to empty your stuff. Look, it empty all completely. So now the cabin filter is right here. All right. So this is, it says airflow here. The air filter is here. What you need to do is push this tab here and this tab here. There's one tab here and one tab here on each side. Can you zoom out? I can't zoom out. So I'm gonna push this tab, one tab here and one tab here. Take out the cover. There's the cover. And if it's in airflow, see? Airflow. Put this in the same place. Now, pull the air filter. Ooh, dirty. Look how dirty this is. Where am I pointing at? See how dirty my air filter, cabin filter is? Nasty. By replacement again, the SuperTech 5760. Open it up. There's a little instruction over here, which I don't want to read. So it says airflow facing down. There's an arrow. So there's an arrow here. It says airflow. So just follow the airflow guide inside there. Just follow that and you're set to go. So we're back here again. Airflow. Make sure they match. Airflow facing down. Arrow facing down. And my camera's battery is blinking already. And put this back. The same orientation. Just push it in there. It's just that. There you go. Now we close the glove compartment. Push this again. Okay. Now that's back. So snap this back on. Push up a little bit. That's it. It's it. You can close it. Open. Make sure it's good. Right. That's how you change the cabin filter for a Honda Odyssey 2018. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.